Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us are concerned about. How to eliminate forehead wrinkles. Whether you're starting to see those fine lines or have had them for years, we've got you covered. We'll give you a clear, step-by-step plan to smooth out those wrinkles and regain a youthful appearance. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First things first, it's essential to understand what causes forehead wrinkles. These lines are primarily due to repetitive facial movements, sun exposure, and the natural aging process. The skin loses elasticity and collagen over time, which leads to wrinkles. According to a study published by Harvard Medical School in 2018, exposure to ultraviolet (UV) rays is one of the leading causes of premature aging. So, protecting your skin from the sun is crucial. Now here's how you can deal with forehead wrinkles. Daily skincare routine. A consistent skincare routine can make a significant difference. Here's what you need to do. Cleanse. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil from your face. Use lukewarm water, as hot water can strip your skin of its natural oils. Exfoliate. Exfoliate your skin twice a week. This helps remove dead skin cells and promotes cell turnover. Be gentle to avoid irritation. Moisturize. Apply a good moisturizer daily. Look for products containing hyaluronic acid, which helps retain skin moisture. According to a study by the University of Michigan in 2011, hyaluronic acid significantly improves skin hydration and elasticity. Sun protection. Always use sunscreen with at least SPF 30. Sun damage is a primary cause of wrinkles, as mentioned earlier. Topical treatments. Incorporate these topical treatments into your routine. Retinoids. Retinoids are derived from vitamin A and are known to boost collagen production. A study from the American Academy of Dermatology in 2016 found that retinoids can visibly reduce wrinkles and improve skin texture. Vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from free radicals and promotes collagen synthesis. Apply it in the morning before sunscreen. Peptides. Peptides are amino acids that help build proteins in the skin. They can reduce the appearance of fine lines by supporting the skin structure. Facial exercises. Facial exercises can help tone and tighten the muscles under your skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Here's a simple exercise. Forehead smoother. Place your fingers on your forehead, just above your eyebrows. Gently pull down while trying to raise your eyebrows. Hold for 10 seconds and repeat 10 times. According to a 2018 study published in JAMA Dermatology, facial exercises can improve facial muscle tone and reduce visible signs of aging. Lifestyle changes. Your lifestyle significantly impacts your skin's health. Consider these changes. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Hydrated skin is plumper and less prone to wrinkles. Eat a balanced diet. Consume foods rich in antioxidants, such as fruits and vegetables. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish can also promote skin health. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. During sleep, your skin repairs itself, so lack of sleep can accelerate aging. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Both can dehydrate your skin and accelerate the aging process. Professional treatment. What a dermatologist can do for you. While a consistent skincare routine can work wonders, for deeper wrinkles or those stubborn lines between your brows, consider consulting a board-certified dermatologist. They can assess your unique skin type and wrinkle concerns. Depending on your needs, they might recommend in-office treatments like Botox or fillers. Botox relaxes the muscles that cause wrinkles when you frown or raise your eyebrows. Fillers, on the other hand, can plump up specific areas to smooth out deeper wrinkles and restore a more youthful look. Remember, these are medical procedures, so consulting a qualified dermatologist is crucial to ensure safety and achieve the best results. But don't be overwhelmed. Whether you choose to focus on prevention or explore advanced options, the key takeaway is to prioritize your skin health. With a personalized approach that considers your lifestyle and goals, you can achieve a radiant and youthful appearance that reflects how you feel on the inside. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences and any other tips you might have.